Hello everyone, join me to make dinner. Guys, over here I have some Irish potatoes, I have some carrots, I have some cucumber, I also have some other things, other fruit veggies there I'm going to be using on this dinner. So what you see me doing on this video is just first of all to peel my Irish potatoes. So I have about 10 pieces of Irish potatoes there which I was peeling. So after peeling them, I just added them to my pot, add salt. Then I also combine all the veggies together, also added salt to it. Guys, if you know you have not tried this dinner, it's so delicious. Oh my God, especially if you have kids around, they are going to love it. Yes, your kids are going to love it and they are going to thank you for it. Feel free to try this. As you can see, I've already peeled it. Freshly peeled and washed. I added salt into my pot. I also added some water. Then over here is my veggies. So I washed them thoroughly. Especially I also added vinegar to wash these fruits. After washing them, put them inside my pot. Add the carrot. Then I added some salt to it. Then just take it to my gas directly. So that is the cucumber I just added to it now. So it's so delicious and yummy. So feel free to try it for your kids and they are going to love it. Yeah, you can see I just added salt to it now. Then I'm going to be taking it directly. I added some water to it, which is normal. You have to add some water so that the water can make it to cook. It's the water that is going to cook it. So this is it after about 5 minutes. This is how it looks and it's ready. So what I do was just to drill out the water and the Irish potatoes. What I did was just to after boiling it, I put it on my air fryer. I air fryer it, then it's ready, guys. Oh my goodness, if you have not tried this recipe, feel free to try it. Then I'm going to show you guys the way we eat it. We normally eat it with some some protein. Yeah, because I have some protein at home, so I didn't know that the kids, they have already used it for something else. So this is how it is. This is how I serve it. Then I also added some protein and some sauce. This is Berennetta sauce. I just added my Berennetta sauce to it. And yalla, enjoy.